Well, Adam, you're one in the books. How much did you learn about yourself, learn about this team in this program in the last year?
No, I think a lot. I think every season you learn something as a coach, and I think if you're not learning, you're not growing. And one of the things I really learned about this group is they want to be great, and we're not perfect, we're not where we want to be yet, but there's a hunger and drive to be great, and look forward to continuing that this year.
13 new guys on this year's team. How much different will the next year's Spartan team look compared to last year?
Yeah, I mean, it'll be different. Obviously, we've got some new names, and I think we just want to look to continue to build on the foundation we laid last year. And
you talked about gaining respect back in college hockey throughout the year, and you even mentioned it earlier today. Is it where you want it to be, and then how do you get it to where you want it to be?
I think we're still building. I don't think we're where we want. We want to be the best program in college hockey. And that doesn't necessarily mean you're the national champion every year, but repeatedly in the tournament, repeatedly winning games in the tournament, moving players on to the National Hockey League, all league players. Like, those are all things that are our vision for the program. I definitely feel there's a sentiment there with that group is like, a little bit of drawing the line in the sand. Like, we're a great program, and we got to go out and prove it.
To see how many fans came back this year and really embraced this team and the journey it was, how cool was that for you to see?
Yeah, it was great. I was happy for the guys, for them to see Munn that way, and everyone's got stories about Munn being packed and loud, and that group that had come through, they'd gone through COVID and no fans allowed, and some lean years, and I think the way it built, I thought the guys earned it.
Do you get to enjoy the golf course at all this summer? Get away from this place at all?
Yeah, a little bit. I would rather fish.
Okay.
If I had to pick the two. So I actually took my boys to northern Minnesota last weekend. So we went up there and fished with a buddy of mine, and then 2 weekends ago, and then last weekend we went up north and fished with my dad. So it's good.
Thank you. Appreciate
Thank you.